Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft Whiteboard for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an Office 365 account for business, work or school. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the application or web browser, Google Chrome, go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account and then go to the left hand side navigation bar, bottom left corner of the screen, click on all apps and then click on Whiteboard. Ideate and collaborate on freeform canvas designed for pen, touch and keyboard. Click on this and this now sends us to a web-based application, Whiteboard. Click on create new whiteboard. If we click on the cogwheel, this just gives us the settings. Click on the X to remove out of the settings. Dots on the left takes us back to Office 365. Click on the plus sign to create new whiteboard. Let that load, may take some time, and now we have a whiteboard on screen. We can click on a pen. Erase, that's gone. Second color, third color, fourth color, erase, 1, 2, 3. Now let's write computer science videos. Not the best, but you get the idea. However, if you are using a whiteboard, an interactive whiteboard, you will definitely be able to do a better job than I am, as I'm using a computer with a mouse. Let's just remove everything. Click on add text. Let's type in computer science videos. Increase the size of the text that we have inserted. Bring back a black pen. Erase. So this is now the title of what we are trying to do. Let's add a note. This is another computer science video tutorial. And now if I wish to share, click on the right top corner of the screen where it says share. Share link is off. Let's turn it on. Now we have a link. If I copy the link, open up a new tab, paste the URL. And everything that I did create is now visible to anyone with a Microsoft 365 Office account. However, let us now take a screenshot, Command-Shift-3 or Command-Shift-4 to just pick a segment of what we would like to screenshot. Go to the desktop, open up the screenshots, number 1, number 2. So that's how you use Microsoft Whiteboard. Pens, eraser, add text, add note, share with your colleagues, share to desktop with screenshot. We can now quit Google Chrome. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.